Today, we're sharing powerful secrets to help you speak English with confidence and pride. Whether you're preparing for an important test, trying to communicate more effectively in daily conversations, or simply want to feel more self-assured when speaking, the foundation begins with the right mindset and the right words. In this video, we will explore 20 positive words that can transform your mindset, expand your vocabulary, and give you the confidence to speak English fluently and naturally. Ready to unlock your full potential? Let's get started. The power of words. Why vocabulary matters. Before we dive into the list, it's important to understand why vocabulary is such a crucial part of language learning and confidence building. Words are the building blocks of communication. They allow you to express your thoughts, feelings, and ideas clearly. The words you choose influence how others perceive you and how you perceive yourself. Using positive, descriptive, and expressive words makes your speech more engaging and memorable. It shows confidence and enthusiasm, which encourages others to listen and respond positively. Moreover, when you replace simple or negative phrases with more vibrant vocabulary, you reinforce your own self-belief and motivation. For example, instead of saying "I did okay," you could say "I performed well." Instead of describing a difficult experience as bad, you can say it was challenging or difficult, showing your capacity for nuanced expression. The right words can turn a simple conversation into an impactful interaction. 20 positive words to boost your confidence. Let's explore these words grouped by their effect on your speech and mindset. 1. Outstanding. Use this to describe something that surpasses expectations. Example: "My presentation was outstanding." 2. Superb. Perfect for expressing excellence. Example: "Your work is superb." 3. Magnificent. A word that adds grandeur to your descriptions. Example: "The sunset was magnificent." 4. Brilliant. Showcases intelligence and creativity. Example: "That was a brilliant idea." 5. Exquisite. Conveys beauty and delicacy. Example: "Her speech was exquisite." 6. Terrific. Expresses enthusiasm and approval. Example: "You did a terrific job." 7. Impressive. Highlights achievement and skill. Example: "Your progress is impressive." 8. Radiant. Describes a bright, glowing appearance or mood. Example: "She looked radiant today." 9. Vibrant. Perfect for lively descriptions. Example: "The city has a vibrant energy." 10. Stunning. Expresses beauty and surprise. Example: "That dress is stunning." 11. Thrilled. Shows excitement and happiness. Example: "I was thrilled to hear the news." 12. Overjoyed. Deep happiness. Example: "I was overjoyed with the results." 13. Energized. Indicates enthusiasm and vitality. Example: "I feel energized after my workout." 14. Confident. A crucial word for self-assurance. Example: "I spoke confidently during the interview." 15th. Resilient. Denotes strength in facing challenges. Example: "She is resilient and never gives up." 16th. Motivated. Shows drive and purpose. Example: "I am motivated to improve my English." 17. Inspired. Reflects creativity and influence. Example: "Your story was truly inspiring." 18. Genuine. Expresses sincerity. Example: "Your compliment felt genuine." 19. Remarkable. Highlights extraordinary qualities. Example: "Your progress is remarkable." 20. Joyful. Conveys happiness and positivity. Example: "A wedding is a joyful celebration of love." Combining vocabulary building with motivation. Learning new words is powerful, but the real magic happens when you incorporate them into your daily life. Here are some tips to motivate yourself and make vocabulary learning a fun, rewarding process. Set small daily goals. Challenge yourself to use at least 3 new positive words each day in conversations, journaling, or social media posts. This habit helps internalize the words and makes you more confident over time. Create personal affirmations. Use these words to craft daily affirmations that reinforce your self-belief. For example, "I am confident and resilient," or "My English skills are improving every day." Practice in real situations. When talking with friends, practicing in front of the mirror, or engaging in language exchange, consciously incorporate these positive words. The more you use them, the more natural they become. Celebrate small wins. Every time you successfully use a new word or speak more confidently, give yourself a mental high five. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and eager to improve further. Practical tips for building confidence in speaking English. Building vocabulary alone isn't enough. Your mindset and techniques play a crucial role in becoming a confident speaker. Here are some motivational strategies to complement your vocabulary efforts. 1. Replace very with stronger words. Instead of saying, "I am very good at English," say, "I am excellent at English," or "I am outstanding." Stronger words make your speech more impactful and show confidence. 2. Use pauses effectively. Don't rush your speech. Pausing briefly to gather your thoughts makes you sound more confident and composed. Even native speakers pause. It's natural. 3. Ask for clarification. When unsure, confidently ask questions like, "Could you please repeat that?" or "Can you explain what you mean?" This shows you're engaged and eager to learn. 4. Embrace mistakes. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Mistakes are valuable learning opportunities. Instead of fearing errors, see them as stepping stones toward mastery. 5. Visualize success. Before speaking, imagine yourself communicating with confidence. Visualization reduces anxiety and boosts self-esteem. Breaking the myths. Boost your confidence in language learning. Many learners believe misconceptions that can hold them back. Let's quickly bust some common myths. Myth 1. Some people are naturally confident speakers. Reality. Confidence is developed through practice, patience, and persistence. Anyone can become confident with effort. Myth 2. Fluent English means speaking quickly. Reality. Clarity and control are more important than speed. Speaking slowly and clearly is a sign of confidence. Myth 3. Confident speakers never ask for help or clarification. Reality. Asking questions shows strength, curiosity, and engagement. It's a sign of confidence, not weakness. Myth 4. Confident speakers never make mistakes. Reality. Everyone makes mistakes. Confidence means accepting errors, learning from them, and continuing to improve. Myth 5. You either have confidence or you don't. Reality. Confidence is a skill that grows over time with consistent effort and positive reinforcement. Understanding these truths helps you realize that confidence is within your reach, regardless of your current level. Your path to confident English. Remember, speaking English confidently is a journey, not a destination. It takes patience, practice, and a positive mindset. Incorporate these 20 words into your daily vocabulary, use them in conversations, and remind yourself of your progress. Every small step counts. Here's a quick challenge for you. Choose one positive word from the list today and craft a sentence about your goals or recent experiences. Share it in the comments below. Celebrating these small wins will motivate you to keep going. Summary. Key takeaways. Building a vocabulary of positive, expressive words enhances your ability to communicate confidently. Combining vocabulary practice with motivational strategies accelerates your growth. Busting myths about confidence helps you stay motivated and resilient. Remember, confidence is a skill that you develop through consistent effort, not an innate trait. You are capable of speaking English fluently and confidently. It's a matter of believing in yourself, practicing regularly, and using these positive words to reinforce your self-belief. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and lessons to boost your English skills. Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And remember, every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.